think I broke it. In my room cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around that OG. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And that ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in the air, that shit poking.
What's poppin', G? Gangsta boy, Fuush nigga, man. Hey, you about to start the garbage disposal on me? She's starting the garbage disposal on me. Listen, so today, we got a mod, of course, coming. You guys will see it in the thumbnail, the title, whatever. But we're about to take her car to get dropped off for diagnostic. Something's wrong with the exhaust. Car is shaking and everything. I'll probably show you guys that when we go downstairs. But let me show you. I'm not gonna open it right now, but I actually have two. You guys are not gonna see that one, but this mod right here. If you guys know what that is, yes, that's coming. We'll take that downstairs. But we're gonna get this day started. Just gonna be a little vlog mod type. This is not gonna be a how-to install because there's plenty of videos on how to install this. So I'm not gonna do a how-to, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the process and then I'll show you what it looks like after. So guess we're gonna get the day going. This is my green juice daily, every day. You know what I mean? Keep that immune system boosted. Kale, bananas, blueberries, raspberries, cherries, mangoes, and banana. So let me get downstairs, man. I'm turning this thing back on. Let you guys get this cold start first, and then I'm gonna let you guys hear what's going on with her car. And I'm hoping that we could even make it to the shop because that thing is putting like it's a $500 car. You feel me? So give me a second. All right, let me get you guys this cold start real quick. All right, let me now I got you guys that cold start. Let me show you guys what this is doing while I'm pulling it out. And I don't know why she's trying to match me with the green. You guys clearly see I have on green and black. And then she's gonna say, oh, I didn't know you had on green shoes. Anyway, here. I'm about to back this thing out. You can.
Yeah,
huh? That thing stink, man.
Yeah,
that's all of the exhaust fumes.
Yeah, you're gonna have to roll the window down and drive.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna.
This shit is horrible, man. I mean, the exhaust fumes are so much. I know it's an exhaust leak, but now I know it's gotten worse, so I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna get back to you guys once we make it to the shop, and then we'll go from there. All right, y'all. So just dropped the car off, and I'm highly upset because I thought it was gonna run me like $65, but she told me it's $150 and like $172 with taxes and shit for a full diagnostic. That's the whole 2 hours that they were gonna have to run the exhaust system. A complete exhaust system diagnostic. So she said that if they don't use the whole 2 hours, they're not gonna charge me, but yeah, right, they're gonna use the whole 2 hours. So I'm highly pissed off about that. So anyway, about to head to the store, grab some more healthy shish, some bananas, some Manuka honey. If you don't know what Manuka honey is, check it out, man. It's good for you. And then head to the house and get this mod cracking. So I'ma holler at you guys when I get back to the house and we're about to put this mod on. You know what I'm saying? Because I know that's what you guys are waiting on. So and while you're waiting, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. And if you've been here, hit that like button for your boy, man. I'll catch you guys when I get back to the house. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at the house. About to get this install done for you guys. I don't think I showed you guys what I'm doing, but I might as well show you guys what I'm doing. And try to get in the mood to do it, because I really don't feel like it, man. I feel like I'm gonna get on the couch, get some food, and chillax, man. But this is what I'm doing, man. What is this? You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all know you know what that is, man. Come on. Yeah, that's the music, man. I gotta listen to music, y'all. But there it is right there. The WICKERBILL. Shout out to ZO1 add-ons. And to 300S_DOS for hooking me up, because when I wanted a bit, I really never wanted, I mean, I like the WICKERBILL, but I didn't think it would look good on a 300 until I saw his. But at the same time, I don't like the big, huge ones that stick up, you feel me? And so when I saw his, DOS's, his is that it was perfect. It was the perfect size. It was small. It wasn't too much that take over the back of the car, you feel me? So I'm like, bro, where you get that from? He told me ZO1 add-ons. I'm like, I don't want nobody, I want that one. I don't want the big, huge one. That's the perfect size for my car. So I ended up ordering that joint up. It's here right now. So we about to get this add-on. I'm gonna go get my girl. She's gonna help me line this thing up so I can get this thing installed, because she said she wants to go for a drive, obviously in my car since hers is in the shop. So I'm gonna let her take it out. She's gonna get the first drive with the WICKERBILL. I am gonna get her driving off since she wanna take my shit. But yeah, man, let me get this thing started. Make sure you like the video, man. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we going up. I'm trying to keep this consistent as I can. Parts are scattered. I still got parts coming in. They're still scattered. They keep getting delayed. 1 minute they say they're gonna be here in 3 or 4 days, and the next minute, oh, it got rescheduled to next week and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm dealing with. That's what we dealing with, period. People that are doing mods to their cars. So let me grab her, because I'm ready to get this joint going, and I'm gonna get you guys back as soon as I don't know, I'm at a good point to where I'm gonna show you guys, you feel me? Yeah. No, we got a lot of stuff. All right, as you can see, there are the holes all the way. Obviously, I use the tape to mark my holes and stuff. And then I have those, gotta put those in the hole. Hold on a minute. What I want to do, so it slides in there like that. So now these go in, then I line it up, then the screws go in. But right now I'm about to take this tape off and then get this thing on here. So I'll get back with you guys. Finished product, man. Showtime, quality. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys. This isn't gonna be a how-to video. This is just me putting there's plenty of videos on YouTube showing you how to do a WICKERBILL install. But I'm gonna show you how to put these rivets in and stuff like that. So what you do is you take the rivet and you screw it on to the thing. Then you stick it in here and you get a good, hold on. Oh, hold up, Richard. Hold up. All right, now we're good. Screw that thing on there and put it in there. Good squeeze. Oh, it's in there. So I got 4 more to go, and then we can get this thing on here, and hopefully we measured this thing right and it goes on the way it's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? The way it's supposed to. Alright guys, finally done. Now I was gonna edit this part out, but she told me to keep it in because nothing's perfect, right? That's a fact. So I got stuck on one of the rivets and the screws. As you can see, the screw got stuck and it started turning the rivet inside the spoiler. So I had to take the whole rivet out and replace it with a new rivet. A good thing I have extra rivets. I ordered extra just in case. So I had to take that whole rivet out and then put a new rivet in and had to go in at an angle, and then it went in perfectly. So that's all done. Now I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Yeah, you know, let's get to it, man. What you guys think? Don't mind the car is dirty. What you guys think though? Yes, sir. Now I originally was gonna have get this tinted orange, but then I changed my mind. I'm just gonna keep it the light, little 25-30% it is, but it came out good though. As you can see that. And this is the one that got stuck. Luckily I had another rivet and another screw, because when I was taking it out, I had to bend the whole thing out, so I messed the screw up too. But that thing looking good, man. Yes, sir. Another mod down. Another mod down. Come on, man. Come on, listen. You already know who I'm doing this, man. I'm going crazy. Like I said, parts are coming in scraggly all over the place. But they are getting done. Oh, let me show you guys this one thing. Check this out. What I did notice. So on the exhaust, on the tip, you see I can't get my finger in there, right? This is like perfect. This one, you can see it looks different, right? I can get my whole finger in there. I'm gonna have to take this up in a couple days and have him raise this up to that one over there. Cause it looks, you can notice it from the back. You guys probably can't tell, but it hangs just a little. I don't like it. So we gotta get that done. But other than that, man, I'm liking the way the car's coming together. Shout out to everybody that's supporting. We just hit 1,500 subscribers, so you already know what's going down. The dash cam giveaway is going down. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to be following me on Instagram, and watch out for the rules of winning that dash cam. But we're going up 1,500 just like that. You feel me? Next 2,000 subscribers, and we're giving away another dash cam. You feel me? So you know what I'm saying? I'm rewarding. You guys are helping me. You guys are donating by watching the ads. You know what I'm saying? That donate, that's keeping the channel going. You know what I mean? I got my first paycheck, you feel me? So I'm putting that right back into the channel. That's just how that goes, you feel me? So the more you guys watch the ads and watch the videos and like them and share them, the more I can keep going with this project, you feel me? There probably won't never be an end to it, but we're just gonna keep going. I'm probably gonna add more cars to the channel. Right now we're in the process of going to look for her a new car. So, or a truck, because we got some bad news with that Cadillac. We got some bad news with that Cadillac, and I ain't trying to pay what they're trying to talk about to fix it. So we'll see where this goes. But I appreciate all the support, and I hope you guys are getting something out of this when you watch these videos. It's giving you a little idea of what you want to do to your car. And I know you guys are, because you DM me and you tell me that you love how I show the process in my videos. Like taking off that bumper, I showed the whole hour it took me to do it. You feel me? You guys appreciate that. So I'm gonna keep on rocking with that. Let me know what you guys like in the comments. As far as the videos, you guys like the longer ones, you like the shorter ones, what you guys want to see next. I'm probably already gonna have it coming. Like I said, parts are coming in, so we're gonna do them as they come. Other than that, I appreciate her for her help, because I couldn't have got this done without her helping me measure and holding it up, you feel me? Yeah, but I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. I showed you guys earlier in the video, right? I do have another part upstairs, actually. I forgot. Don't know when I'm putting that on, because it's still 3 more parts to that has to come for me to get it on, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. It's your boy Fuush. Fuush, stick up, bash. We out of here, gone. My bad, y'all. Ended that video, and I told you I was gonna get her driving off with the WICKERBILL on there. So, she just got in the car. We're gonna wait for her to drive off, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Well, I'm showing you guys now, but We get the drive by. What that thing looking like though? I like it, man. Nice little extra tail lights though. Like it was black with just a red trim. I like that thing. That thing bring a little more sportiness to the car, man. All right, now we're done with the video. Yeah.